Hi everyone, I'm so happy to bring the September energy update to all of you. I have been a little delayed in bringing this up. I was working over the past few days for personal sessions as well as the webinar that we had today. So this message, the energy update, was channeled to me. I had channeled it a couple of days back, and so some of it might already be in the news what was channeled. So I would just request you to be patient and listen to this. A lot of the messages this time were also personal messages. They were personal instructions to me, and some of these are also would be personal in nature for you, so some of you might resonate with them more than the others, and you will see the nature of it. Like the last 2 3 months, they were more about what's happening in the world, what's happening across US and Asia and Australia. Now this is at a more personal level, and in fact they also shared why they're talking about it more at a personal level. So here is the September energy update. This month of September is such a potent month. Most of the information this time would be at a personal level. We have talked about what's happening in the world and what continues to happen over the next 20 months. And those were all instructions for you to do better, for all of you to really change the way that you live and do your life and encourage and invigorate others. It is now time to dive deeper into your own world and to dive deeper into your own life. September is the start of a month when the veils between the 4D and 5D continue to move. People who are training themselves and people who are becoming more open will feel this. People who are training themselves to access higher realms will see so much more clarity, and they will be able to change their realities so quickly. What you could earlier do in months or years, you can actually do within days or even hours now. Our message to you is to use this time. Even people who are not training themselves will be able to dive a little deeper, and they should enroll themselves in meditations. Look at sessions, look at the sessions that you can attend. The moment you put intention into the world, you will be able to manifest it into your life. You will be see that it's coming into your environment. But and use the month of December to prepare. Use the month of September to prepare, because October, November, December are going to go so fast. They are just going to come in and go in the blink of an eye. So, whatever you can explore in September, explore. Dive deeper, go deeper into what you do need to learn. Remove what you do not need. So, as you know, this I'm just reading out what I channeled. I had recorded this, and I'm reading that out, and that's why I'm reading it. Okay. So my question was, next question was to them, that what are the energies that they're talking about? So they said that first, surrender to your God, your divinity, whatever you want to call it. So God is your own word. If you are not comfortable with God, they said that you can call it cosmic consciousness, whatever you call it, right? So surrender to your God, to your divinity, to cosmic consciousness. Second, to release and let go of all that is not serving you, whether they are relationships, whether they are habits, whether they are karmic patterns, whether they are thoughts, and whether they are eating habits. Some of you might be surprised, and might also feel that it is against what you wanted because you're being told in a certain way. For example, there will be a lot of people who will want to, and who will perhaps be called and told very often to become vegetarians or become vegan, but they will resist, and this resistance will not serve them. It will just make them more anxious. It will make them more restless. The change in diet is necessary because of what change is taking place in the world. You no longer need a heavy diet. You no longer need to feed into the energy of the animal kingdom, because animals are also rising, their consciousness is also rising. They are also changing the anatomy, so you do not need to consume them as food any longer. There is no need. Many people will be asked to change the diet, and the best way is to let go of any resistance. Just drop the resistance and follow what you feel is right. Some people might feel an extreme resistance. They might feel stomach upsets, a sore tummy, and because they are upset of the vegan diet or the non-vegetarian food they are eating. This is because their body is telling them that they need to shift to a different diet. You are called to work with energies. If you feel you're religious, pray to your God more often, or if you meditate and you connect to the cosmic consciousness, then connect to the cosmic consciousness more often. People will continue to feel shifts, and they will feel tired. They might yawn more often. They might want to sleep and rest more often. That's all part of the necessary shift. So, here I was actually told, I just want to share, there was a lot of personal guidance that was also given to me. And one of the personal guidance that was given to me is to upgrade my technology and my mics very quickly. And I was also given that what you need, you have what you need, but you need to upgrade that very quickly, because the energies that you're dealing with need a far better technology. And I want to share, like today I had a webinar, and usually I don't have much of a disturbance in my internet, but I was given, people who were attending felt a lot of disturbance off and on in the sound, and there was a, the sound was not clear, though I was using the same laptop, the same mic. And I understand now when I'm reading this why they told me, and they had told me a couple of days back. So I didn't do it. So, even small things like that, we need to pay attention to it. Okay, so coming back to the energy update in general for all of us, do a lot of grounding work so that you as people are able to remain grounded in the normal day-to-day lives. This is an important, it will be important to exercise too. Then my question was, because they were not talking about the current pandemic, my question was, what is happening in terms of the current situation? The pandemic is going to escalate in many parts of the world. There are some red escalation points in Italy and somewhere near Greece. Also parts of Spain and France and the UK. Things will continue to get worse for America. The numbers are going to increase much, much more further. Even in parts of India, it is going to increase because you have not learned your lesson. Now, this message is for people of India specifically. When I say you, it means people of India. You have not learned how to live in discipline. You have not learned how to maintain respect and discipline of what you have been told in the past. There is no sense of social distancing, and there is absolutely no reverence for human life. And unless you learn the reverence for human life, you will face this challenge. There are many other states where it is going to increase as well. There will be a marginal increase in the east side of India. Due to some negligent stuff, the cases in Delhi are going to increase again. The cases in Mumbai will increase as well. Unless you learn, unless you learn, things are not going to change. We are giving you a short update this time because you have to take action. Everybody has to take action this month. Without action, it is fruitless. Unless you take action in all spheres of your life, it'll be pointless. You will not be able to gain from the potential of this month, and you will not be able to create what you need to in the next 3 months. Don't let the month of September go waste. Do stuff, do more spiritual stuff. Meditate, go deeper and deeper, go into deeper practices. Reach out to different people, reach out to multiple different people and do the work, do the inner work, and that's it. So, this was the channel message. If I were to summarize what they had mentioned, the guides had mentioned to me, is one, the first thing is September is a very, very important month. It is the month of manifestation. And so, what you can do in this month will lay the foundation for the months of October, November, December. So, they are continuously saying, do not waste the potency of this month. The second thing that you will be able to see, that if you really work hard, which means you are meditating regularly, you are really living in awareness, you are accelerating your spiritual growth, you are accelerating your spiritual understanding, you will be able to see manifestation happening much more quickly. Now, when they were talking about manifestation in terms of happening in days, it also depends on how clear your channel is. If you have been living in awareness over the last 2-3 years, you've been working with awareness, you've been releasing a lot of the baggage, you'll be able to manifest things very quickly, almost in a matter of days. Some people might manifest it faster. Does that mean it is going to happen for everybody? No, it depends on how clear and how aware you are and how clearly you are able to see what is happening around you. Okay, so the second thing is to surrender to God. Use meditate, pray whatever you can. And the third is release all that is not serving you. And this, in fact, I also wanted to share that this new moon I will be doing a meditation, so you can I'll share the event link here, you can sign up for that. So yeah, essentially the first thing is September is a very, very potent month that you can use. So the more you go deeper into meditation, the more you go deeper into spiritual practices, the faster you'll be able to see the change that is happening around you, the faster you can change yourself. Second is to surrender to your God, to cosmic consciousness, whatever you call it. The third is release all the things that do not serve you, whether they are habits, your eating habits, people, thought processes, whatever those are. So those are the top 3 things if I were to summarize. I am going to be, I'll be sharing the link for the new moon meditation here as well, the event link. If you want to know more how to work with manifestation, if you want to know how you can make use of the next 4 months, I have opened my membership to the Sacred Circle. The membership closes on 12th of September. But you can avail that, and 12th September, because it's my birthday, that's why I was leaving it open till 12th of September. And so if you want to know about the Sacred Circle, you can click on the link below. There are separate links for Indian nationals and there are separate links for people outside of India. Reach out to me for any other question that you may have, and so much love. Take care. Ensure that you're making the best use of the month of September to manifest. Thank you so much and happy listening. Bye-bye.